guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a YouTube video of slime review. Hold on, I have to do a video. I am so excited for today's video today. Don't mind the background. My family is just making dinner and everything. We're having spaghetti. We're eating spaghetti and meatballs today for dinner. And here's the slime I'm going to review. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it's this like bluish.
Oh, I was talking to Tina, and then that's why those things are down here.
Yeah, she does.
Yeah, because she said, she was like, have you guys picked out a color so we can start painting on Friday?
They're painting on Friday? I don't know, I told my dad I have patching and a whole bunch of stuff to do.
You didn't have any of this conversation.
And so
Why do they want to jump the gun on painting? I just asked for them to help us pick a paint color. And my dad's like, when I come down, I'll paint. And I said, I got patching to do. I got to put trim around the window. And I said, to take all the stuff down, patch holes in here.
So sorry for the
Are
background.
you ready to paint? Picking out a color, yes, but what are you talking about?
I said I didn't know any of this.
Oh.
So here's the slime.
We're not ready to paint.
It's a cool color. I named it Shimmer. I will do a slime making.
I don't even know if I like any of these colors, to be honest.
I truly haven't spent any time looking at them. And
So turn your volume all the way up if you want to hear me. So
I don't really like any of these colors.
these are all colors from their house.
Yeah.
So I named this Shimmer, and I will do a slime review of making this slime but pink. So I will name it, this is Shimmer, and I'll name it Shine. So yes. It has alphabets in it.
Fettuccine or spaghetti?
Fettuccine, please.
So it has like,
I put the balls in the sauce. Or do you want them out?
so we have an M. Well, I think it's an E. I think it could be an M or an E. I don't know. Daddy, does this look like an M or an E?
Any.
This is an E, my dad said.
Alright, I got some nice.
Here is our
Oh, those are nice to walk close.
T.
If I keep these down, I have a pair.
Whoa! It is so cool, guys. Sorry for like the setup here.
Very nice.
Okay, it is nighttime right now. It is like 8 o'clock at night, and we're just making dinner. We were busy tonight. I'm surprised we're not just having like heated up chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
Shimmer.
Mm-hmm.
This is a shimmer
What?
and shine.
Did you turn it on?
I didn't
Shimmer.
turn it on.
And shine. Shimmer 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 and slime. And shimmer and slime. Oh. Oh. You know what? I may want to do like, I don't know, maybe like a Fruit Loop slime. That would be so cool. I'm gonna be posting a YouTube video of adding weird ingredients to slime. So like shampoo to slime, or conditioner to slime,
Come on.
or like maybe I don't know, like tiny little clear hair ties. There's so much options that I can do.
Oh, these are soft.
Yes, you want that.
No. These are soft. Can
Whoa.
we make a point to go to Seven Springs this winter and go tubing?
Maybe.
See,
Bro, we're going to.
These are kind of gloves.
wouldn't that be so much fun to go do that? You can wear your hunting clothes.
Bro, we're going to Seven
It sounds
Springs.
very cold.
We're going to Seven Springs this year. Or next year. What?
I really want to go to Seven Springs and go play in the snow.
Alright, so these are gonna stay.
Okay, well then we can play in the snow. I'm doing a YouTube video right now. Whoa, that looks so cool and weird up close.
Here's my new
You can actually see the shimmer
pants.
stuff.
These are the lightweight.
Okay.
They don't, not really cargo-y, they just have
They look
pockets.
like a different, yeah, like definitely different
They're
material.
not as thick and hard. And they have this
So cool, guys.
These are like EMS pants.
pocket-
Sorry for like the lighting.
Pocket.
Hold on.
Pocket.
Okay, I just turned it up a little bit. Because it was basically all the way up.
So let's see how these fit. Any other pants or
Oh,
shirts?
that is so beautiful.
Out with all the old.
So beautiful, guys. Dad, I'm doing a YouTube video. Did you hear that crunch? Adeline, stop. She's playing with the dishes.
They look good on you though.
Mm,
They fit you very nicely.
yeah, they're not.
They're not too long.
This is
They're more comfortable than the other ones, but they're still
See?
not like this Under Armour.
No, those Under
But
Armour
these ones
pants
are
are
kind of.
quite special.
These are in the house and the work on occasion.
Mhm.
Okay, so there's like 3 pairs of those.
Adeline, stop.
You stop. You're louder than anybody.
I'm doing a YouTube
Stop.
video. You're embarrassing me.
2 of these.
Okay. Is your mask covering you? Oh, nice.
2 of these.
Small.
Nice.
Very nice.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
So all my old ones, my graphics are fresh with.
Mm-hmm. Very nice. Chris?
Very beautiful and nice. I'm trying to like angle it so it's like perfect height.
It's like gradually.
Adeline, stop.
Yeah, like gradually.
I like this slime a lot.
Can you see through it? So you hold up the light, you can see through
Yeah,
it.
I noticed that when I was there.
But tomorrow I will post a YouTube video of DIY shimmer slime. So just basically be this slime, but big.
A pocket.
So yes, I will post that tomorrow for you guys, so you know and learn how to make this beautiful slime.
Yeah.
There is ingredients that you have to have though to make a perfect like this slime.
Think these look good with my Under Armour pants?
I would have to see it in person.
I could make it happen.
Whoa,
Make sure I don't look like a total dweeb.
Daddy,
Sorry, Blackhead.
Daddy, this is for kids entertainment. Kids entertainment, like 6-year-olds maybe.
What are you doing? Are you cooking?
This is like some cool ASMR. Mommy, want to say hi to the my fans?
Hi, fans.
That was my mom. she's very happy for me that I have how much subscribers? 8. So yeah, and I'm proud of myself. I know 8 subscribers isn't a lot, but for my age, it's pretty amazing. And like,
No.
No what?
I don't know if I like it together.
What do you mean?
it looks ridiculous together.
I think I like the t-shirt with it better.
What do you mean?
Do you like it?
I don't know. I just feel on.
Oh no, now I'm like hurting your feelings. Let me try.
Seriously, this is I got new of these. There's new work pants.
Go look in the mirror. I don't know.
Like I was saying, for my age, it's very cool that I have 8 subscribers. So please subscribe. It'll make my day so happy if I see like 10 subscribers. All you have to do is subscribe. 2 of you guys just have to subscribe. Just subscribe, guys. But if there's not 10, you know, all you have to do is just press the subscribe button. Not gonna hurt you.
Hurting your feelings. I'm pretty serious, honest with you.
But also you don't have to. Now like
Spray cologne, Madeline.
like the video if you know who
She just completed. Sure, it looks really good on you.
comment down below if you know who.
I like it better with the shoes.
I also
Calm
have
down.
these shoes in black.
Okay, so comment down. No, there's no comments. Okay. Well,
Is there kind of gray in here?
hit the like button if you know who Aubrey London and family, that YouTuber is. It's cool. And like it if you
This shirt's white.
dislike it if you don't know who Aubrey London and family is. It's an ASMR channel.
Very flowy.
I'm not ASMR. I do very.
Airy.
I do other
And comfy.
videos. I do like, you know, just like random videos that I think of. And then sometimes I'm just like, I don't plan it and I'm just like, I'm gonna do a YouTube video. I just do it. I don't plan anything or anything. I just go with it. So this, like I said, was called Shimmer. So I'm gonna do, when I have a lot of slimes, I'm gonna do a slime review on all of the slimes I have. So yes, that would be really
Yes,
fun.
Butters.
The whole
The whole thing was very nice. It was just different for me to see it initially. Please don't be offended. I think
Does
that
it
you
look
look great.
okay?
You look great, Butters.
It's comfortable, the whole thing.
You
Yeah,
look
it's
very,
good.
very.
So guys, I'm going to leave this video right here.
Really
So,
like that shirt.
bye
I
guys.
really like it.
See you tomorrow with another amazing video. Remember, I post every single day, so try to check my channel every single day, and then you will be uploaded there. If you just like go on my channel, you will see that like I have posted a new video. Maddie has posted a new video.
I think that
Me and Horse Lover has posted a new video.
I want to say that this looks better. I
But-
like this look better.
It does?
Okay,
Mhm.
bye
I like that shirt.
guys.
I really like that shirt. I love that shirt.